In front of me is Poco F7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then choose All Services and scroll again to tap on Autofill with Google here. Now click on Google Password Manager and select the password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!